How to fix screen flickering on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So what you can simply do firstly is make a long press on the power button and then tap on the reboot option. So when you restart the device, a lot of times the issue gets fixed itself. If that does not work out, then what you can simply do is tap on this rectangle icon or the at the home section. So you can just tap on it and delete all your background activities that is happening. So you can just delete all the background apps that is taking up space, that is taking the energy on your device. Next, if that does not work out again, what you can simply do is make a long press and tap on power off and just make it power off for some time, and that might help you fix the issue. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.